Question. A premature infant delivered at 32 weeks present with the respiratory distress after birth. Which of the following is deficient in him? Number 1. Dipalmityl phosphatidylcholine, dipalmityl ethanolamine, sphingomyelin, cardiolipin. Answer is number 1. Dipalmityl phosphatidylcholine, pulmonary surfactant. Dipalmityl phosphatidylcholine is a complex mixture of mostly composed of lipid 90%, primarily phospholipids and 10% protein. Question. True about tonic neck reflex is number 1. Extension of arm on ipsilateral side, flexion on contralateral side. Extension of arm on contralateral side and flexion on ipsilateral side. Extension of arm on both sides, flexion of arm on both sides. Answer is number 1. Extension of arm on ipsilateral side and flexion of arm on the contralateral side. There is a picture of a baby of tonic neck reflex, also called fencing reflex, elicited by rotating the head towards one side. The arm on the ipsilateral side is extended and contralateral side arm is flexed. This primitive reflex appears at 35 weeks of gestation and disappears at the 6th month of the age. See the baby below and fencing reflex and tonic neck reflex. Question. Asymmetric tonic neck reflex disappear at what age? Number 1, 2 months. Number 2, 3 months. Number 3, 6 months. Number 4, 8 months. Answer is 3, 6 months. Asymmetric tonic neck reflex disappear at the age of 6 months. Here is a primitive reflexes chart. This should be remembered because many questions asked in different examination. Reflexes, description, age of appearance or age of disappearance. Moro reflex. Light drop of the head, sudden extension followed by flexion of the arms and legs. Age of appearance 28 to 30 weeks of gestation. Age of disappearance 3 to 6 months. Grasp reflex, placing finger in the palm result in flexion of the infant's finger. Age of appearance 28 weeks of gestation and age of disappearance 2 to 3 months. Rooting reflex, tactile stimulation at the side of the mouth, pursue the stimulus. Age of appearance 32 weeks gestation, less prominent after 1 month. Asymmetrical tonic neck reflex with infant supine turning of the head results in ipsilateral extension of arms and legs with the flexion of the opposite extremities in a fencing posture. Age of appearance is 35 weeks of gestation and age of disappearance 6 months. Parachute reflex. The infant is suspended faces down by the chest. When infant is moved towards a table, the arms extend as if to protect self. Age of appearance 8 months postnatally and remains throughout the life. This chart should be remembered because in different examination it is asked. Here is the picture of grasp reflex, how to elicit. Put your finger in the baby palm, then baby will close the fingers. Below the picture you can elicit the parachute reflex. Keep the baby face downwards on a table, then baby will extend the arm to protect himself. This is a protective reflex and this parachute reflex continue throughout the life. At what age is physiological jaundice seen? Number 1, at birth. Number 2, 1 week of life. Number 3, 1 month of age. Number 4, 1 year of the age. Answer 2, 1 week of the life. Important point to remember for the physiological jaundice. Criteria for physiological jaundice. Clinical jaundice appear after 24 hours of the age. Total bilirubin rises less than 5 milligram per deciliter per day, no sudden rise. Peak bilirubin occur at 3 to 5 days of the age with a total bilirubin of no more than 15 milligram per deciliter. Physiological jaundice is resolved in 10 to 15 days. Criteria for pathological jaundice: presence of visible jaundice in the first 24 hours of the life, yellow palms and sole anytime, sign of acute bilirubin encephalopathy or kernicterus hypertonia may present, may need exchange transfusion. A term newborn 2700 grams present with jaundice on the 5th day of life with the serum bilirubin level 14 milligram percentage. What is the appropriate management? Number 1, phototherapy. Number 2, exchange transfusion. Number 3, routine newborn care. Number 4, stop breastfeeding for the 2 days. Answer is routine newborn care, because this is a physiological jaundice, appear on the 5th day of life, and it is not more than 15 milligram per deciliter. So it will resolve automatically without any treatment. Only do the routine newborn care. Question: Apgar score of 3 at 1 minute after birth indicate: number 1, mildly depressed. Number 2, further resuscitation not needed. Number 3, severely depressed. Number 4, normal. Answer is 3, severely depressed. I have already discussed the Apgar score. See the previous video in my channel. Interpretation of Apgar score: a score 7 and above normal, a score 4 to 6 fairly low, a score 3 and below critically low and need immediate resuscitation. Question: where to look for the preductal O2 saturation in PDA, patent ductus arteriosus, in a 3-minute born infant? Number 1 is left upper limb. Number 2 is left lower limb. Number 3 is right upper limb. Number 4 is right lower limb. Answer is a right upper limb. Breast milk protect from infections as it contains all of the following except: number 1 is IgE. Number 2 is lactoferrin. Number 3 is bifidus factor. Number 4 is PAVA. So answer will be IgE. Breast milk does not contain so much IgE. Question: all of the following are true regarding breast milk as compared to the cow milk except: contains more lactose, more amount of protein, less amount of fat content, minerals and salt is less. So answer will be more amount of the proteins. So breast milk contains less amount of the protein. Question: a newborn after prolonged labor is not breathing well and after 30 seconds of receiving 100% oxygen by bag and mask, the heart rate is 88 per minute. What is the next step in the management? Number 1, discontinue oxygen and ventilation. Number 2, discontinue oxygen, continue ventilation. Number 3, continue oxygen, continue ventilation. Number 4, start chest compression. Here answer is number 3, continue oxygen, continue ventilation. The baby has intrauterine asphyxia and depressed. If we continue the oxygen and ventilation, baby will recover. So answer will be 3. Thank you. If you like video, then like it, share it and subscribe it. Search it on YouTube by @ Dr. Umesh Medical.